I doubt he may not have briefed about our request to the governor.
You please put up a request and
We have already put up. This morning also we have.
I called him personally, sir.
Okay.
I called him
So
personally.
this morning, Raj Bhavan has organized a health camp. So everyone had gone there.
So
Even I was there.
this morning.
CDC was there. So
our-
you cannot expect that कि आप सुबह morning में appointment डालें.
No.
and evening
We
you
have
come
been
here
we
like that.
have been requesting since February.
Okay. What
It's
is
not
it
a matter.
regarding? What is it regarding?
There were so many issues.
Tell me.
Okay.
I will be the one who will
There-
vet it and who will let the governor know कि
Okay.
अच्छा, what is it regarding.
There was one incident
Yeah.
in
Can you
which
please shut these cameras off, or do you want to? Should we call back inside?
Yes. If you take us inside.
Yeah,
inside.
please
Okay,
call.
I'll call.
Not everyone.
Yes.
Okay, I'll.
Not everyone. You are not authorized to enter the
Fine,
restaurant
fine,
without
fine.
my permission.
Okay.
There are security issues. There is a sanctity of this institution
Fine,
which has
fine.
to be maintained.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we are in the rain outside, sir.
Unsa.
That does not mean if you are in
No,
the
no,
rain
okay,
outside,
we'll
उसका
go
क्या
inside.
मतलब?
We'll go inside. Okay.
है ना?
There we are.
Few
Okay,
नहीं,
we'll
आपको
go.
बात करनी है ना?
Okay, we'll go
आप
inside.
please come inside
Okay,
and
fine,
we'll have a
fine.
word.
Hard copy no. इसको मत sign. मैं इस राय का मत sign hard copy.
एक ही बंदा एक
Let my vice president come. My vice president.
you just told that
Fine. Let him. Just Major sir. Let him come. He is my vice president administration. Let him.
चलो एक और
Okay. Hey, hard copy book here. Mais भाई. चुप रहा.
आराम से जाइए, आपको परमिशन दे रहे हैं।
Mais भाई. Hard copy. Allah nagari bosses la. Okay. Allah nagari.
Please try to understand there is some protocol which has to be followed.
Mas. Allah nagari bosses. Sir, control करो ना.
आप आइए
Okay, fine.
आपको किसके रिस्पेक्ट में मिलना था?
There were so many issues. There was one particular hate speech that was given by Honorable Minister, there were MLAs, okay, against those people who did not vote them. So there was serious allegation over there. So we wanted to brief about this to governor. That time also our appointment were denied.
Sir, do you know governor is the constitutional head of the state?
I understand, yes.
He is not supposed to give you any feedback, or he is not supposed to talk
No,
to you
it's-
about
it's-
anything which is related
When
to
people
political party.
you just listen us. When people are suffering, it becomes a duty of a political party to raise the issue.
Yeah. Okay.
So to whom we should raise?
You should raise
No,
the issue
no.
to the SP. You should raise the issue.
No,
to the
no,
police.
no.
That is the
No
channel
point.
which has to be followed.
We have been following all the channels.
Okay.
So
So
that
you say
is
that-
not working.
Okay.
So that our only last resort is our governor.
Okay.
So since February we have been asking for the appointment, but every time I don't know why Mr. Bania denied. Before Bania, we met the governor. There were other governors. Every time, whenever we asked for the appointment, within 2 or 3 days, we
Mr.
used to
Bania
get.
did not deny your
No.
behalf.
Just
He is
listen me.
right.
Just listen me, sir.
Okay.
So within 3 or 4 days, we used to get the appointment.
Okay.
But we understand there could be some emergency.
he
There
might
could
not be available all the time.
1 week, 2 weeks.
Yeah,
That's okay. Even 1 month, it's fine.
Okay,
But
okay.
it's been 4 months.
Nee,
And
you put in a mail
just
today in the morning?
yes. This morning also, our leader was brutally attacked. Okay. Then we asked for, we wanted to brief governor about this, because there's a serious, so many issues that are happening in the ground level. Governor may not be aware of all those things. It becomes our duty to
Have you filed a
to
police complaint?
Yes, yes,
Do you
sir.
have a
Yes,
police
we have
complaint
filed.
copy?
Yes,
And you
yes.
are sure that you are sanguine that police is not doing anything, and then you want to
No,
sir, the incident happened today in the morning, and in the evening you are saying that
No,
you want
no,
to
no.
come and meet the governor.
I think I don't know. We have been not in touch with you. We are not in touch with you. But I think Mr. Bania has some prejudice. Otherwise, he could have given us appointment. So this morning also we tried. I personally called him. The way he spoke with me, I am the president of one of the opposition political party of the state.
Okay.
But the way, the tone he was using against me, that was not welcoming
Okay,
tone.
that I
So
don't-
the way you are talking,
ha.
so you're talking fine.
Ha.
Okay. So just we wanted to why we gathered today here is that governor may not be aware that the one political party is seeking appointment with him since 4 months.
Okay.
So Mr. Bania may not have briefed governor. I think he may not have briefed also you. So we requested here that we wanted to meet since your.
So sir, these are my clear directions to my boys here in the Raj Bhavan for security that nobody will come inside without an appointment.
Yeah,
okay?
we understand. We
Because
understand.
like apart
won't
from
come.
that, there are so many people who visit every day. आज सुबह भी कोई आए थे ना. There were 2 people who had come in the morning. कि हमें आके
No,
government
we sincerely said them.
हाँ,
Said our appointment is not there. We requested,
हाँ,
but he
They-
called.
they are working on my direction
Yes, yes.
because there is
So-
there is same rule of sets for.
Sir, our only request is that governor should be
Okay, I'll definitely
briefed
apprise
about
him
that.
of and
Okay.
I will try to get your appointment scheduled. Okay, that is my word. So,
Sir, our leader is there in the hospital. He is in critical condition.
Okay.
So we don't have that much reliance on Sikkim police. They won't be able to work impartially. We know that there are so many issues. You might be aware that how Indian politics works. Sikkim is the same. So this is a serious matter. There could be another attack. Within a week there are 2 attacks that happened. So as soon.
will that thing get resolved if you speak to governor right now? That
No.
is, nee, I do understand. your concern. He's one
yes,
of the
yes.
political
It
leaders.
becomes
in-
to give confidence to the people.
Yeah.
Yes, people should have that faith that
Nee,
anything wrong
that is
wrong
absolutely
happens.
important.
There's something. There one party is there. Will raise this issue to the governor.
Okay.
At least some pressure will be built to the ruling party.
Nee, I do understand that.
So that's the only option left now.
I am
So-
telling you, I will get your appointment fixed. Maybe कल तो नहीं है, कल he is moving out somewhere. In this week, I'll get it fixed.
So this is tomorrow. I request you, please understand the gravity of the situation.
Tomorrow he is
It's
not
just so-
here. Tomorrow he is not here.
So every time we have been told that whenever we apply, the governor will leave tomorrow. Will leave tomorrow.
Did I ever give you any false hope? And I am not giving you. I am telling you, I'll get it fixed as soon as it is possible. I cannot commit you the time because I am from the forces. मैं आपको बोल दूंगा कि कल आप आ जाइए और कल अगर if I am not able to keep my word, I don't want to be in that situation where I am not able to keep my word. So I want to give you a time and place where even I am comfortable with it कि हाँ मैंने दे दिया है and अगर मैंने commitment दी है तो it will be done. And that is all I am trying to tell you. That I don't want to give you
Major Sahab, we want clear-cut assurance that this matter is quite serious. People are agitated.
Okay.
So tomorrow, so even for us 2 minutes would be enough.
Sir,
Okay,
when
2
you
to
are
3
not
minutes.
available here, how can I?
No, I hope you can manage tomorrow early morning, whatever time.
ठीक है, please take my number. I'll give you. Please drop me a message on WhatsApp. I'll try to get it fixed tomorrow in the morning.
So 2 minutes would be fine for us.
Sure. 781 6080 6080 107. और आप कितने लोग आएंगे? मेजर महेश राज.
5 to 6 only.
Okay. You please drop me a message on WhatsApp. है ना?
So previously, no, I wanted to, because I was communicating on behalf of him. Okay? So I was communicating him, and he's even this morning I called him because the matter was serious.
Okay.
Because there, like you said, there has been 2 attacks in past week.
Okay.
And he's saying me that आप कैसे मिल सकता है गवर्नर का जेट प्लस सिक्योरिटी है and all this.
Nee,
So-
that is, look, he is also
Yes.
not wrong on his
Yes,
part.
yes.
Maybe
So-
the way he communicated
Yes,
you,
yes.
there would have been some sort of miscommunication.
No, what we are seeking is, since he is a constitution, he is the head of the state. No? So whatever things we cannot go to the government because we can go and meet the CM because that is being orchestrated by the ruling party.
Okay.
So we wanted to put a memorandum informing Governor Saab that these things are going on at the ground level.
Okay.
Okay. Because prior to this, like Sir said, there was one meeting that was going to be held in Delhi.
Okay.
So that time we had asked sought and permission to him.
Okay.
So that time he said he cannot give. And he said he gave us appointment on 11. Instead of 10, he gave us on 11. So we said once the meeting is conducted, so there's no need of having a meeting on 11. So that we denied. So we said we want to consider. So we don't go to.
यदि तपाईँ आफ्नो घर, होटल या अफिसमा चाहिने हेर्दा सुन्दर र प्रिमियम सामानहरूको खोजीमा हुनुहुन्छ भने कमला फर्निशिङले लिएर आएको छ मार्केट भन्दा सस्तो र राम्रो क्वालिटीको प्रडक्ट जसले तपाईको घरलाई आकर्षित बनाउनमा सहयोग अवश्य पुर्याउनेछ, जसमा कर्टेन, ब्लाइन्डर, कार्पेट, बेडसिट, फुटम्याट, अन्य सजावटको सामान डोमेस्टिक र कमर्सियल दुवैको लागि 100 रुपैयाँदेखि सामानहरू स्टार्ट छ। न्यूबोर्न बेबीदेखि ठूलोसम्म सबै नानीहरूको लागि खेल्ने सामान पाउनुको साथै घरमा सजाउने सामग्रीहरू पनि अवेलेबल छ। कमल फर्निशिङमा तपाईले भने अनुसार कस्टमाइज प्रोडक्ट पनि पाउन सक्नुहुनेछ। यहाँ तपाईले पाउनुहुनेछ बेस्ट क्वालिटी सामानहरू, त्यो पनि रिजनेबल प्राइसमा। एकचोटि पक्कै घुम्नु आउनुहोस्, तपाईले खोज्नु भएको सबै कुरा यहाँ पाउनुहुनेछ। यहाँ आएपछि अन्य जग्गा जानु पर्ने छैन। अधिक जानकारीको लागि दिएको नम्बरमा सम्पर्क गर्नुहोस् अथवा भिजिट गर्नुहोस् बिहाइन्ड विशाल सिनेमा हल, अप्पर भानुनगर, सेवक रोड, सिलगढी।